In this question, two statements are given. One is assertion and the other is the reason. And in the context of these two statements, you have to choose the correct answer. Assertion: osteoporosis is characterized by decreased bone mass and increased chance of fractures. Now it is correct. Osteoporosis leads to a reduction in bone density, making bones fragile and more prone to fractures. And the reason states that common cause of osteoporosis is increased level of estrogen. It is incorrect. Osteoporosis is commonly caused by the decreased level of estrogen, especially in postmenopausal women. Estrogen plays a significant role in maintaining bone density, and a drop in estrogen level leads to bone loss. Hence, the correct answer is option B. Options A, C, and D are incorrect, as these options include incorrect combinations.